Hi, thank you for joining me. Do you have the courage to do what it takes to be an entrepreneur? Many of us do, and some of us don't. This is Barb Williams with barbwilliams.com. Thank you for joining us. I was listening to a podcast today from Tony Grant, and he brought up about talking about courage and having the courage to not do what the masses do, not to conform to what everybody else does. Step out there and to do what it takes, but you never know exactly what it's going to take until you try. And you don't want your life to end with the regret of not trying to do something that you wanted it to do. You want to work with the people who deserve your time. If everyone has the same opportunity, you want to be working with someone that has the same spirit, the same desires. People deserve your time, then those are the people that you want to spend it with. If somebody's demanding your time or feels that they are entitled to your time, if they have not done anything to deserve it, then you just want to move on move on along. Have the courage to step out there and teach something new. Do you have the courage to want change and see change? If you get something that drops in your spirit, step out and take that, a leap of faith. You remember what it says in the Bible, all things work for your good. Give encouragement to others. It takes courage to give encouragement to others, but you never know what that encouragement is going to do for that person. It may give them the courage to step out and do what it was that they were hesitant about. 3 words that you want to think of when it comes to courage: consistency, commitment, and accountability. Being consistent is one of the easiest words, but the most difficult thing to pull off. You can have great intentions, but until you are consistent, you are not going to see the results that you need. So, even making the commitment to be consistent takes a lot of courage. Again, honor your commitments. It takes courage to make a commitment, but if you're not honoring it, then you're going to lose your credibility, right? And accountability. It takes courage to make commitments, to be consistent, and if you're not accountable, then courage is nothing. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any difference in the outcome if you're not going to be accountable for the things that you have said. Again, everyone has the same ability, the same opportunities, and you want to be the one that steps out there and takes the step, and once you do it, you realize, hey, it really wasn't that bad. So the next time that you do it, you won't need as much courage, but you can pull from the resources that's in your mind about the last time you did it, and that it wasn't quite as bad as you thought it would be. So that's my take on courage and being an entrepreneur, and I hope that you've gotten a little bit of value out of that. Again, Tony Grant was on fire in the podcast this morning. I hope that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. I would appreciate any likes or shares. I'm here to help you learn the things that I've learned the hard way so that you don't have to learn them the hard way. And I truly believe that you deserve and that you can build your own online business. And I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Keep watching the videos and interact. If there's something that you need or that I can help you with, please feel free to reach out. I'm here for you. And again, join me soon. Until next time.